Steam cleaning versus hot water extraction. Which is better for carpets? If you're looking for the best way to clean your carpets, you may have heard about steam cleaning and hot water extraction. But which one is better? Today, we'll be discussing the differences between the two methods and helping you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. 1. What is steam cleaning? Steam cleaning, also known as dry cleaning, uses hot water vapor to clean carpets. This method involves using a machine that sprays the carpet with a mixture of hot water and cleaning solution, followed by a vacuum to extract the water and dirt. 2. What is hot water extraction? Hot water extraction, also known as wet cleaning, uses hot water to clean carpets. This method involves spraying hot water and cleaning solution onto the carpet, agitating it, and then extracting the water and dirt with a powerful vacuum. 3. The main differences between the two methods. The main difference between steam cleaning and hot water extraction is the amount of water used. Steam cleaning uses less water, which means that carpets dry faster, but it may not be as effective at removing deep stains and dirt. Hot water extraction, on the other hand, uses more water and is better at removing dirt and stains, but it can take longer for carpets to dry. 4. Which method is better for your carpets? The method that is best for your carpets depends on several factors, such as the level of soiling and the type of carpet you have. In general, hot water extraction is better for heavily soiled carpets and those with deep stains. If your carpet is lightly soiled and you want it to dry quickly, steam cleaning may be a better option. 5. The importance of hiring a professional. No matter which method you choose, it's important to hire a professional carpet cleaner who has experience with both steam cleaning and hot water extraction. A professional cleaner will be able to assess your carpets and recommend the best method for your needs. Conclusion. So that you have it, steam cleaning and hot water extraction are both effective methods for cleaning carpets, but the best one for you depends on several factors. Hiring a professional cleaner is essential to ensure that your carpets are cleaned safely and effectively. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.